Easy&Fun!
Wow! Shall we learn the alphabet now? Here we go!